Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and I know I've been bringing you guys a lot of Nike SB content lately, but we're back with another one. As always guys, before we get started into this video, please make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please hit the subscribe if you are new around here, and don't forget to hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. That's right guys, if you have been following this channel for the past year or so, your boy has been getting really into Nike SB Dunk Lows. I really just want to start collecting like a whole bunch, to be completely honest. I've been stockpiling and starting to get all the new releases, as well as circling back and getting some older releases. One of those includes, if you can tell in the shot, I did pick up a pair of the Crenshaw Skate Club Nike SB Dunk Lows, so stay tuned on the channel. I will be doing a full unboxing and review of these as well. So yeah guys, I've been loving Nike SBs. I just can't get enough of them lately, so I was super glad I was able to pick these up. Now, I did strike out on the sneakers release, and I also struck out on a couple different raffles I had entered into, but I was able to pick this thing up from eBay. I got an incredible price on this pair of shoes from eBay. You know, went through their authentication system and so on and so forth. Make of that as you will. I trust in it. I believe in the authentication process. I sell a bunch of shoes on eBay. I've never had an issue, obviously. So, yeah, I like the whole process personally. So I went with eBay on this. I actually ended up getting a really good price on them, and they were actually free because I had an eBay gift card to use. So I figured, why not, right? Upcoming, it was a newer release, so I figured I would pull the trigger. Now, it's gonna come in the standard Nike SB purple box this time. You obviously get the Nike SB branding on the top and the white lettering. Size tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Premium. Colorway is Baroque Brown Summit White. Now, I went with a size 12 because, as I've stated previously, I do think that the newer releases of Nike SBs have been running a little bit snug. So, I am a true size 11.5. I've been going with a size 12 on all of the latest releases, and they fit me perfect. Make of that as you wish. If you've never tried on a pair, I recommend you trying on a pair before you make a purchase. If you don't have that opportunity, you can stick true to size, and then that way you know if they fit a little bit too tight, you might have to go up that extra half size. Flip and open the box, you're going to get your standard wood grain looking paper on all of Nike SBs, and that is right guys. So I actually picked up these guys right here, the Nike SB Dunk Low Big Money Savings or Live Laugh Love. Here's a little eBay tag that comes with all the authenticity guarantee pairs through their eBay system. Now, you also do get their little eBay card as well. So just so you know, if you've never purchased a pair from eBay before, you do get this little card as well. You can actually scan that little thing, the little hang tag that they put on there, bring you to all that authenticity information for you. So also in the box, you are going to get your standard traditional Nike SB sticker right there, that white sticker. It's going to come in all of at least the purple box pairs. And then we get the shoes, ladies and gentlemen. This is a extremely unique pair of sneakers, and I am loving the colorway as well as the material use. Like I just mentioned, this is the Big Money Savings and or Live Laugh Love, because this shoe, I believe, was inspired by thrift stores, and also the Live Laugh Love signage that you used to be able to, you know, back in the like early 2000s, that you know, was very popular, and you would get them at like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, those type of stores, as well as thrift stores. And that is kind of the inspiration behind this sneaker right here. And honestly, I'm really digging the different material choices they went with, as well as just the uniqueness and how it kind of like the whole package really comes together. I really do enjoy that. So let's get into the video. Let's dive right into it, guys. Like I had previously mentioned, a bunch of different material choices on this particular pair. So let's get right started. So you are going to get this canvas type of material. It does feel more of like a burlap, but it's a canvas material. Over on the toe box, in like a kind of like a tannish type of beige color. Wrapping all the way around the toe box, as well as where the eye stays are and the ankle all the way up here, you are going to get this brushed suede or nubuck type of material in that Baroque brown colorway. I really do like it. It's not a long-haired, I think it's a suede. It might be nubuck. I'm not a material expert, guys, so don't knock me if I am wrong. But I know it is a brushed material. It's not like a long hair. It doesn't change, you know, like the color when I just did a review on the Malachites. Like, that one changes the color as you move your finger across it. This does not have that. It's a very short-haired, but you do have like that brushed type of texture to it. It does look like it's almost aged or fading, and I'm really digging that that look to this sneaker. It looks like an older pair you would find off the thrift store shelf, and I think that that is an excellent you know, like Nike SBs in general, the storytelling behind them and the execution is like bar none, right? They do not miss. Now, some obviously are just personal preference, whether like you like this sneaker or not, but I just think that their like storytelling and the intricate details and stuff like that, that they, you know, they put a lot of thought and effort into these shoes, and it really does show. Now on here, you are going to get this like, it's a very unique feeling. It's not like hard, right, on the mid panels, because it does look like it would feel like hard because it almost looks like tin, but it's not. It's actually like a very pliable material. So I believe it is painted. It almost looks like something on like an old dinner plate, you know, like an old dinner plate type of texture. Really unique, guys. Like I said, that was the more controversial thing about this particular shoe in me deciding on whether or not I wanted to purchase. It was that mid panel, but when you just look at the overall shoe and how it came together, it was kind of a no-brainer for me to cop it. So on that Nike swoosh, when you go over to that Nike swoosh, you are going to get a cracked material. So you are going to get a cracked leather over on the material. Now, it is going to vary, obviously. So like for instance, my left shoe, the crackle material is pretty more prominent on this one, on the outer swoosh, than it is on the right swoosh. So I'll get some up close personal shots. You'll all be able to tell that. On the inside though, mine looks a lot more cracked than on the inside of this one. I don't know if that's how they designed it or if it's just my particular pair, but just something to note when it comes to quality control and your individual pairs. Now, wrapping up towards the tongue, guys, you're gonna get this couch looking material over on this tongue. I have no idea how to explain it. It is a super padded plush tongue though, so just so you guys know, this tongue is extremely padded. It basically looks like a couch, guys, like an old grandma's couch or something like that. Really digging that tongue. You are gonna get the Nike SB patch in that like teal blue, that Tiffany blue, really looking nice. Now, when you get to the back of the tongue, it's gonna come, almost looks like a quilted type of material or like a thermal. Like if you have like a thermal underlayer, almost looks like that. That's going to be behind the tongue, and it's also going to wrap inside of the entire ankle collar. So really nice padded. Like I said, you are going to get your memory foam heel pods that come standard in all Nike SBs. And let's just go into this unique feature right now. So behind this tongue on the left shoe, you're going to get a little receipt or coupon. It is a tearaway material, guys, so you can rip that off if you do plan on wearing your shoes. So don't mind that. You know, you could just, it's a tearaway, so you can either cut it or you could just pull it off. You don't have to rock the shoes with that on there, but really unique, guys. So this little coupon thing is going to say save now, 58% off Nike SB with a little barcode. Like I said, guys, the attention to detail is awesome. Now on the right pair, you're going to get this really long receipt type of look on this one. So this is where the big money savings nickname comes from. It's going to be right here on this long looking receipt that is on your right shoe, on the right tongue. It's going to have Nike skateboarding, big money savings. It's going to have a little barcode. It says not valid for actual purchase, obviously. Super hot fire, 58 cool points. You want it, you got it. Nike skateboarding, another barcode. Deals, deals, deals. Like I said, just a really unique touch that they decided to include on this particular shoe. Inside of the shoe, on the insole, you're also going to get this old vintage looking grandma's, like I said, like a quilted pattern type of look to it. with the Nike SB. It's almost like pixelized too, which I think is pretty cool. And it looks like almost like a rose going on there as well. So, like I said, very unique touch as well. Now, going along the back of the sneaker to the back, you're also going to get a very unique pattern up on the mid. It's kind of like a really dark gray, almost, again, looks like a quilted type of material. Like it looks like that couch material from the tongue is used on that with just a different shade. Over on the back of the heel tab, you're going to get that Nike stitching in a really unique, cool looking font in like this orangey, it's like a burnt orange color. So that burnt orange with that Nike stitched on the back of the heel tab, looking really clean, guys. Really, really nice. Going over to your midsole, gonna have a white midsole with white stitching as well. Now, when it comes to your outsole, it does look like that Nike regrind material. So that, you know, their move to zero type of initiative, it does look like that, a very similar outsole to that, with the speckling all throughout that teal blue, or it's like a turquoise teal blue, whatever you want to use. But yeah, you get the speckling through there, looking really cool. Like I said, I don't know if it's part of the move to zero regrind type of material. It just looks like it is. Now, also going to get your Phylon midsole with that Nike SB peeking out right there in a burnt orange color. Now, when it comes to the lacing options for this shoe right here, you do have a really unique rope style lace. I know a lot of people are, you know, bringing comparison to the Travis Scott Nike SB Dunk Lows. Those rope laces were super thick. This is much more of a thinner, more narrow rope, but I'm loving it. I really do like the rope laces here. It comes in this off-white oatmeal colored, you know, cream colored lace. And then it also gets 2 additional sets of laces. You're going to get that turquoise teal type of nice Tiffany blue, which it would actually really bring a nice pop to this sneaker with the blue hits all over the shoe. So I think that one would work a little bit nicer than this other one. So you're also going to get a burnt orange rope style lace as well. The only other burnt orange color on this shoe is literally just on the back of that heel tab and that Nike branding. So I do think if you were to switch out the lace, that teal blue would give it a nice pop with the tongue, as well as that outsole. But let me know which lace you guys would decide to change up with. And overall, guys, what do you guys think of the big money savings or live, laugh, love Nike SB Dunk Low? I'm super happy I did pull the trigger on this over on eBay. Like I said, these things were free for me because I had a discount. I also got a good price on them. So yeah, let me know, did you guys go for this over on the Sneakers app? Did you enter in raffles? Were you able to pick them up from your local skate shop? Or are you just not feeling these at all? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comment section. And like I mentioned previously in the beginning of the video, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please hit the subscribe if you are new around here, and don't forget to ring the bell. Every time I upload a video, you will be notified. And that's going to do it for me, guys. So my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Nike SB Dunk Low big money savings and or live, laugh, love are out. Peace.